In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset a VSeeBox remote. So there's no dedicated factory reset button for the VSeeBox remote itself. However, you can still clear the TV button's programming, which is the IR learning, and repair the Bluetooth connection if the remote isn't working correctly. So to reset the TV buttons programming, if you previously programmed the TV power or volume buttons, just press and hold the TV power button for 8 to 10 seconds. Then you'd like to wait until the indicator light blinks rapidly. Once that's happened, just release the power button or the button. This will clear all the learned TV commands so you can program them again. This is not like a reset, but or a factory reset, but still it's a small reset if you just want to fix the button's problem. Then you'll have to go and repair it with the Bluetooth remote. If the remote isn't responding properly, stand close to the VSeeBox, press the OK and volume down button or volume minus together for about 5 to 10 seconds and keep holding until the pair message appears on the TV. Some VSeeBox models may instead use the home button for pairing, but OK plus volume, an example minus, is the most common method. So if pairing doesn't work as well, you can try to restart the VSeeBox. Unplug the VSeeBox from power, wait for about 60 seconds and plug it back in. After it's finished booting, try pairing the remote again. And if that didn't work, you can try, as example, just as a last resort, check in the battery of your remote. Replace both batteries with new matching pair. Weak batteries are one of the most common causes of pairing connection problems. Sometimes it even slips off the mind or over the mind, so people don't pay attention to that. So that's how you light reset or reset a VSeeBox remote. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.